Hi traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Gator Oscillator indicator for MT4 and MT5, although my emphasis is going to be on the MT4 version. Okay, but if you want the MT5 version, you can still download it from the link below. All right, just follow the link and then download the your preferred version. Okay, now after downloading the indicator, just head over to your indicators folder for your platform, be it MT4 or MT5. And then after you do that, just paste the indicator file inside the indicators window and then head over to your navigator, just right click and refresh. After doing that, you should find the Gator Oscillator indicator. Drag and drop. If you still can't find the indicator after refreshing, then you might just have to restart your terminal. Okay, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and then as for your inputs, you can see the settings available. You can customize them according to your taste. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. All right, it is designed to visually highlight market phases, right, using the logic behind the alligator indicator, helping you to spot trend development, contraction, expansion, and all of that. Now, you will notice that at some point, the indicator begins to, shrink. And then at some point, it begins to lengthen and shrink again and lengthen again, depending on the market volatility, and momentum at the time, right? So when you notice that the indicator is beginning to shrink, you can just decide to stay out of the market for the time being. But when you notice that it has begun to lengthen again, pay attention to the color. If you notice that the color is green, you want to look for buy opportunities. All right. But if you notice that the color is red, you want to look for sell opportunities. But I'm gonna recommend trading only in the direction of the trend. So when you notice a bullish trend, all right, you want to look out for the red bars. Sorry, the green bars. When you notice a bullish trend, you want to look out for the green bars. Okay, you can buy after you get a confirmation. All right, and then after a pullback, of course, which the red bars are going to show, you can execute another buy trade after you get a confirmation, and so on and so forth. Then in the case of a bearish trend, you want to look out for only sell opportunities. So you watch out for the red bars. When the red bars show up, that's when you should execute your trade after you get a confirmation, of course. All right, and then of course, when a pullback happens, the green bars are going to indicate it, and then after the pullback, you can execute another sell in the direction of the bearish trend. So now, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.